you doing?
I'm good.
Good morning and welcome back to Ubud. We just went for a walk around the rice fields and I wasn't planning to film today, so I didn't film that much of it. I just filmed that little bit. And now we've just had lunch in Warung 9, which is one of my favorite places to eat in Ubud. And it's kind of a unique concept. The main reason I love it is because of the idea. Let me show you. So this is all the food which you help yourself to. And for each scoop is 3,000 rupiah. And for white rice is 3,000 rupiah. Thank you, man. So, if you get, I don't know, 3 or 4 scoops of this, that's 9,000, 12,000 plus rice, 15,000, and you have an amazing meal. But that's not what's really cool. The really cool part is the whole idea is that the money we spend, and you have to be honest, you have to put your money into a jar once you're finished paying, but the money we spend enables someone else to eat for free. So if everyone comes here and pays money, then that enables someone who can't afford to eat to come here and eat for free, which is a really cool idea. 18 plus 20. You also have to do your own washing to help take care of the costs, which is cool. Right, let me help.
No way.
Double clean. And next up, heading to a waterfall. Yay, waterfall. Yeah. So this is Tunganungan, I think, waterfall, and I've actually been here before in one of my older vlogs. You can check that out there. It's pretty misty, I don't know if you can see, but all of the water is coming towards the camera. So I'm going to put this away and get out my GoPro. So like I said, I've been here before and you can watch me in that old vlog, and you used to be able to go up to the top of the waterfall and take photos, but now they're charging you to do that. I just tried to go up there with Steph and they're charging 10,000 each just to go up and take a photo, which, it's not about the money. 10,000 is not a big deal, but I don't want to pay 10,000 just to take a photo, and so we're not. But you can see just up there on the right hand side, just up here is where you can go up. To go up those stairs here costs 10,000 each. Wanna go? Are you good? You alright? Nice. I really do not want to drop this camera. There you go. Graceful. More of the advantages of being tall and being small. Come on. Yes. That is cool. Okay, well, we're done there. And I don't know what the plan is next. So I guess you're gonna find out now. It was food. Of course, we didn't know what to do. We decided to get food. I mean, if you've watched my channel up until now, you'll know that's pretty much what I do. Get a lot of food. Wow. Well, we went healthy. We got 2 salads. And the salad is giant. Looks great though. Oh, this. Nice. Proper chicken. Yeah. It's filming you.
It's really good.
Get it?
I don't know what the name is, but it's just really good. I love it. Every time I'm in Bali, I always eat this.
So excited.
Of course.
So we just ate, and Steph had this whole massive salad to choose from, but didn't like half of it. Now she's eating this. By the way, these little things, packet of rice and like what, noodles and stuff, and tempeh and tofu, all of that is 5,000, which is like, I don't know, 30 cents? Pretty good. Good luck. Bagus.
Enak banget, parah.
Enak. Yeah?
I never know what name this is, but it's really good.
And of course, some ice cream to finish up. How is it? Too busy to talk. Yeah, it's good. It's good. And we just finished up the day with some reggae music in one of the local bars here. My camera stopped working. My S120, my little point and shoot that I normally use, it stopped working again. So I just used my phone to record that little bit. I have no idea how it turned out, but I just wanted to try and use something to record that anyway. So hopefully it looks okay. Another cool day, another great day and a chilled day in Ubud. And it's about 1 in the morning now, so I'm gonna finish it there and say thank you for watching, and this is my life.